Alright folks, once again it's on. Welcome back. It is time to do a little product review from EDEUOEY. So without further ado, let's get to the review. And here it is folks, little lightweight folding chair, which I do like. It comes with a little sack, little extra carabiner and extra feet. And here's the chair folks. Very simple to assemble. Very easy to assemble folks. Alright. This a little stretchy cord right there is going to place. All of them are like that. Now you get your seat. Alright, so you got little pockets here, four one on each corner. The mesh goes to the top like that. And here it is folks. These attached to here. You gotta tug a little bit. Now for the back side, just pull tight and insert. Same thing with the other side. Pull tight and insert. And that's it folks, that's your chair. Alright folks, so here's the assembled chair, camping chair. It's lightweight. Alright folks, so this chair says, it's advertised as the capacity 230 pounds. I'm like 220. Let's try it out. Alright folks, so it fits me nice and comfy. I could watch the little league baseball game going on right here. And it's always nice to have a chair that's compact and easy to carry. Check it out. Very nice to lean back. Looks kind of sturdy so far, so good. Almost a soft dirt, but it's still holding on. The feet are not sinking in. Looks good to me. Easy to stretch my legs. Alright folks, there it is. I like it. Check it out. Oh yeah. Don't have to sit on the floor anymore. Alright, now let me show you guys the camping table. Alright, so here's the little camping table that I liked. It comes in a sack. You get your stands and the tabletop, folks. Alright folks, so you get the stand. Those pull apart, right? You have this that swings over. You have a little hole here that matches up to here. Two loose little, you squeeze out or squeeze in so you can match it in here. It locks into a little groove right there in a hole. Right there. Now your table stand. Now we got the top, the table top right here. Alright, so here's the tabletop. You're gonna match this round part to these grooves right here. One groove here, one here, one here, and one here. And you're gonna snap it on. Sort of like this. You snap it on here. You snap the other one here. You snap the other one here. And the other one right there. And voila, folks. You have a nice table to put your drink, your food, or whatever. Alright folks, thank you very much. I want to thank EDEUOEY for sending this for us for free. And the only way I accepted it because I like it. I like the chair. I have 4 camping chairs in the trunk of my car, but they're big. And this one is very lightweight. You can fit it in this little pack right here. The camping table, also very lightweight. And check it out. Now I can relax my legs here. Very nice. Or your food, whatever you wanna do. Perfect to take on my going to the forest trips. Alright folks, so if you are interested in buying any of these, I'll leave a link to the Amazon in the description box. Check it out. Very, very nice. So far, so good. First impressions. I like it. I feel relaxed in this chair. And it holds up to 230 pounds. I'm 220 right now, and I feel comfortable. Alright folks, see you guys in the next video.